Hello, fruit fans. Welcome to Fruit Facts Frenzy, where we dig into the juicy details about some of the most fascinating fruits out there. Today, we're taking a closer look at a superfruit that's been making waves in health circles and recipes alike. That's right, we're talking about the goji berry. Ready to explore its history, benefits, and how to pick it? Let's dive in. First up, let's travel back in time to uncover the story of the goji berry. Also known as the wolfberry, this fruit has been cherished for thousands of years in traditional Chinese medicine. Its roots trace back to the Himalayas, where it was prized for its supposed health benefits and longevity. Ancient Chinese herbalists and healers believed that goji berries could help you live a long, healthy life. They were even mentioned in the famous book The Shen Nong Ben Cao Jing, one of the oldest Chinese medical texts. Now that we've set the stage, let's talk about why goji berries are so fantastic for your health. These tiny berries pack a big punch. Here's a breakdown of their amazing benefits. Goji berries are loaded with vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system and keeps your skin looking youthful. They're also rich in antioxidants, which help fight off free radicals and can reduce inflammation in your body. But that's not all. Goji berries are also a great source of vitamin A, which supports eye health, and they contain essential minerals like iron and zinc that help keep your body in tip-top shape. And let's not forget about the fiber. Goji berries are high in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Alright, let's get to the practical stuff. When is the best time to pick goji berries? Goji berries are typically harvested in late summer to early fall. You'll want to pick them when they're fully ripe, which means they should be a deep red or orange color and feel slightly soft to the touch. Harvesting goji berries is pretty straightforward. Just make sure to gently pluck the berries from the stems, as they can be quite delicate. And if you're picking them from your garden, be sure to wear gloves because the bushes can have thorns. Once you've picked your goji berries, you can enjoy them fresh, dried, or even blended into smoothies. They're versatile and can add a touch of sweetness and nutrition to a variety of dishes. So there you have it, everything you need to know about goji berries, from their ancient origins to their incredible health benefits and the best time to harvest them. Whether you're enjoying them as a snack or incorporating them into your meals, goji berries are a fantastic addition to your diet. Thanks for joining us on this fruity adventure. If you loved learning about goji berries, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more fun fruit facts. Until next time, stay healthy and keep enjoying those fruits.